This is the video guide that will help you to remove the online scam and scary alerts that are related to the site Busams.live. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by Busams.live. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. You should not interact with them. Just leave this deceptive page. By the way, these pop-ups could be the consequence of certain adware enabled in your computer. You should not tolerate all these pop-ups by Busams.live. They are not real security alerts, and they are not related to any decent security program, so do not trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.